Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you legally own the PC and gathering proof. This matters because many recovery routes require verification. Once done, check whether you can sign in with a different administrator account or use the linked Microsoft account to reset credentials remotely. Make sure to prepare Windows Install or Recovery Media ahead of time. It's not a bypass tool, but a recovery option. These first actions preserve data and keep the process legitimate, so you don't escalate into risky workarounds. You'll encounter two distinct paths: Microsoft accounts and local accounts, and they behave differently because one is cloud-managed and the other is stored on the device. If you can access the associated email or phone, use Microsoft's online recovery to regain access. It's secure and reversible. For local accounts, you'll need recovery media or an administrator on the machine to reset credentials legitimately. Make sure to understand that reinstallation is a last resort because it can remove user files unless you back them up first. You finish by following the verified recovery flow that applies to your account type: the Microsoft portal for cloud accounts or an admin-authorized reset for local accounts. If those routes don't work, contact Microsoft support or your device manufacturer with proof of ownership so they can assist without resorting to unsafe methods. Make sure to avoid third-party bypass tools and tutorials that give explicit circumvention steps. They often cause data loss, malware, or legal exposure. If something goes wrong, stop and seek official support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.